How to create Insta Mojo Payment link. Insta Mojo is a platform that allows you to create payment links to accept payments online. Here's how you can create a payment link using Insta Mojo. 1. Sign up/login. If you don't have an Insta Mojo account, sign up for one at https://www.instamojo.com. If you already have an account, log into your Insta Mojo dashboard. To navigate to the payment links section. Once logged in, navigate to the payment links section in your Insta Mojo dashboard. This is where you can create and manage your payment links. 3. Create a new payment link. Click on the Create Payment Link or New Payment Link button to create a new payment link. 4. Enter payment details. Fill in the details for your payment link, including the name of the product or service, the amount to be charged, and any additional information you want to include. 5. Customize settings, optional. Customize the settings for your payment link, such as setting an expiry date, adding a description, or specifying the quantity available if you're selling multiple units of a product. 6. Generate the payment link. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on the Generate Link or Create Link button to generate your payment link. 7. Copy and share the payment link. Once the payment link is generated, you'll be provided with a unique URL. Copy this URL and share it with your customers through email, social media, or any other communication channel. 8. Receive payments. When customers click on the payment link, they'll be directed to a secure payment page where they can enter their payment details and complete the transaction. You'll receive a notification once a payment is successfully made. 9. Track payments. Monitor and track payments received through your Insta Mojo dashboard. You can view transaction details, track sales metrics, and manage your payments from one centralized location. 10. Withdraw funds. Once payments are received, you can withdraw funds from your Insta Mojo account to your bank account. Insta Mojo offers quick and hassle-free fund withdrawal options. By following these steps, you can easily create a payment link using Insta Mojo and start accepting payments online for your products or services.